Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Wednesday. It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks, and happy Pride Month. We're into Pride Month. It's only a few days, and wow, is there a lot of stuff going on that I'm excited to tell you about here in Chicago. And wherever you're at, celebrate Pride, be an ally, get out there, do all you can to bring all of our marginalized groups together and celebrate who we are as individuals and as a community. It's so important. Yeah, I've been busy with lectures. I had a great event yesterday with World Pride, which is now in Washington, D.C., and that's going to be closing out, I believe, on June the 8th, but I had a virtual event. A lot of the events have gone virtual there. Some are in person. There's stuff going on every day. I was grateful to be part of that. Working on a lecture for today. I have a meeting at noon for a Pride event right around the corner that I'll tell you about, and all sorts of stuff going on. I want to remind you, my June is packed. Not that you really care, but there's a lot of events going on. I want to say hello to Douglas Pride. They are doing their festivities this week, leading up to their Pride event, which is on Saturday. I've been there in the past. I've spoke there in the past. It's a great event. It has grown. The band 16 Candles, my favorite from Chicago, is performing there on Saturday. I think they're doing 2 sets, and that will be great. So look up on the net, Douglas Pride. They're on Facebook. Great group of community people. They're doing a lot of good work. The following weekend, I gotta look because my schedule is so full. There's a lot of stuff going on. Midsummer Fest returns to Andersonville. We call it the kickoff to the summer. That is going to be fantastic. Here in Chicago, the weekend after that is going to be Pride Fest, and the weekend after that, on the 29th of June, is our infamous Gay Pride Parade here in Chicago. That's what's happening in my community and what's going on, and I'm so glad to live here and be inclusive. And in these trying times, it's great to have community, chosen family, other people around you. I am working on an event right now. I was going to tell you, it's kind of in the beginning stages, so I don't know, but there is a smoothie, called Smoothie King, smoothie place right around the corner from me, and they're going to do a Pride event that I'm working with the general manager today at noon. So I got to get this done. I'm recording this about 20 after 11, but I'm meeting with him today about a Pride event coming up. I think it's going to be like a Friday or a Saturday of Pride Fest, and I'll give you the details once we get them all ironed out. But I'm really glad to have been asked to be part of that and everything. Send a big welcome to my friend Keith Lawrence, who's coming here with some of his artist friends to perform Friday, Saturday, Sunday for different kind of community events, and I'm so glad to have him here. I just talked to him on the phone. That's what's happening, everybody. So happy Pride Month. Get out there, do something. I talk about this optical allyship. You ever done this before? On your computer screen. So people will change their computer screen to be like a pride flag or the progress flag, or they'll put these kinds of things out, a little wooden block. Those are optical allyships. So if that's all you can do for being an ally you're comfortable with, that is your journey. There's a whole spectrum. Not everybody wants to be in a pride parade. Not everybody wants to be the planner or everything, but participate however you can to show love is love and kindness in the world. That's what we need. That's my message for today. Subscribe, like, and share. I will see you, of course, on Friday. Have a good one, everybody. Take care.